You have probably looked at a dozen different ways to make money online, and somehow Shopify keeps coming up. And honestly, there is a reason for that. But before you spend a single dollar or commit to anything, you deserve an honest breakdown of exactly what you are getting. So in this Shopify review, I am going to cover what Shopify is, how Shopify works, what the pricing plans actually look like, whether it is good for beginners and small businesses, and whether Shopify is worth it in the first place. No fluff, just what you actually need to know. Before we get into it, if you decide to try Shopify after watching this, use the link in my description to grab an extended free trial. It is the best deal available right now, so do not skip that. Now, what is Shopify? Shopify is an all-in-one e-commerce platform that lets you build and run a fully functioning online store without needing to know how to code or design anything from scratch. Whether you are selling physical products, digital downloads, running a dropshipping business, or building a brand from the ground up, Shopify gives you everything you need in one place. Product pages, payment processing, inventory tracking, order management, and marketing tools are all built in. You do not need to piece together a bunch of different tools and hope they work together. It is all ready to go from the start. So how does Shopify work? When you sign up, you enter your email, set a password, and answer a couple of quick questions about your business. Within minutes, you are inside your dashboard and ready to build. No downloads, no confusing setup files. From there, you pick a theme that fits your brand, add your products, connect your domain, and set up your payment options. The editor is drag and drop, so you can move things around and customize your layout without touching a single line of code. Everything is clearly labeled. Even if you have never built a website before, most people get comfortable within the first hour. It genuinely is that easy to use. Now, let us talk about Shopify pricing plans, because this is usually what stops people from starting. Shopify has a few different tiers depending on where you are in your business journey. The starter plan is around $5 a month. It is the most basic option and is mainly for selling through social media and messaging apps, rather than running a full store. It is cheap, but it is limited and not built for serious e-commerce. The basic plan is around $39 a month, or $29 a month if you pay annually. This is where most beginners should start. You get unlimited products, 24-hour support, inventory tracking, and all the core tools you need to run a real online store. If you are just starting out and want something solid without overcomplicating things, this is the one. The Grow plan comes in at around $105 a month, or $79 a month on an annual plan. This is the tier that makes the most sense once your business starts picking up. You get lower credit card fees, better shipping discounts, and more staff accounts, which is a big help once you have a small team or your order volume starts increasing. That shipping discount alone can save you a meaningful amount if you are sending out products regularly. For businesses already scaling fast, there is the advanced plan at around $399 a month, or $299 on an annual plan. You get the best transaction rates, advanced reporting, and custom shipping rate calculations at checkout. This one is built for stores that are growing quickly and need more control. No matter what stage you are at, there is a plan that fits. And if you use the link in my description, you can grab an extended free trial to test everything out before committing to any of these. Now, let us talk about whether Shopify is good for beginners. The answer is yes, and it is one of the strongest reasons to choose it. Shopify does not throw everything at you on day one. It walks you through the setup step by step, and the dashboard stays clean and organized even as your store grows. The platform is also packed with tutorials and 24-hour support, so if you get stuck at any point, help is always there. If you have ever used any kind of app or social media platform, you are going to feel right at home. Is Shopify good for small businesses? Absolutely. In fact, small businesses are the exact type of user Shopify was built for. You do not need a big budget or a large team to get started. The basic and Grow plans are affordable, and you can scale your tools as your revenue grows without overpaying for features you do not need yet. The built-in marketing tools, including email campaigns, discount codes, and abandoned cart recovery, mean you can start driving sales without immediately paying for extra software. The App Store is another huge advantage. Shopify has over 8,000 apps and integrations, so you can add features like product reviews, upsells, email marketing tools, print on demand, subscriptions, SEO tools, and more. You start simple and only add what you need as your store grows. Some apps are free and others come with extra costs, but the flexibility to expand is genuinely impressive. Now, is Shopify the best e-commerce platform out there? Let us be honest and look at how it compares to alternatives like Wix and Squarespace. Wix offers more creative freedom in terms of design, with a true drag and drop editor and a larger library of free templates. If design is your absolute top priority and you are running a small shop or a creative service-based business, Wix could work for you. Squarespace also shines on the design side and is great for portfolio-style sites with some selling features. But both of these platforms start to fall short once you are trying to scale a real e-commerce business. Things like advanced inventory tools, multi-channel selling, robust app support, and overall store management are just not as strong. Shopify is built specifically for selling. Everything from inventory management and payment processing to multi-channel selling on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Amazon is designed with e-commerce as the priority. If selling is your main goal, Shopify gives you a stronger foundation than any general website builder. Now, to be fair, Shopify is not perfect. Free theme customization can feel a bit limited, and some advanced features like custom automations or international shipping setups have a small learning curve. If you ever move to a different platform, you can export your product and customer data, but not your full store design, so you would need to rebuild the layout from scratch. For most people who stay on Shopify long-term, this never becomes an issue. So, is Shopify worth it? If your goal is to build a real online store that can grow with you, whether you are just starting out or already getting traction, yes. It hits the right balance between simplicity and power. You can start as a complete beginner, build something that looks professional, and scale it into a serious business without ever needing to switch platforms. If you are ready to get started, use the link in my description to grab your extended free trial. It is the best deal available right now and the lowest risk way to test whether Shopify is the right fit for you. Do not sleep on it. If this video helped you out, drop a like and subscribe so you do not miss more content like this. Leave any questions in the comments and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.